wasn't planning on vlogging today, but we decided to go to an air show, so I thought maybe I'd take you along. Not sure if you can hear the jets. It's a free air show, not too far from us at an Air Force base. So we're at the check-in line right now. There's quite a bit of security and stuff, but apparently like hundreds of thousands of people come to this. So we're gonna check it out. We're late. We kind of decided this morning, like, sure, let's go. So anyways, we'll take you along and see what we can see. About an hour and a half in line in the road, honey, do you think?
Yeah, easy. Yeah.
But we made it in. I think there's about an hour left of the air show. But this is a huge event.
Look at the wings on those bad boys.
Yeah.
To the sky.
So people are really enjoying the shade that this plane has to offer. I mean, that one's cool, but I'm not really sure what the rest of these cars are about, except for maybe not seen the inside of Silver Babe, but I'm not going to. I guess they just decided that with a crowd, you might as well have a car show, but I'm not impressed by car engines, so.
I'd like to see the car. It's more interesting than the open hood.
Yeah. Like, ooh, it's clean in there. That's fun. Oh, this is something.
There's radio. There's radio.
Jesse's considering getting one of these.
Just the tires.
Oh, just the tires for your existing car?
Yeah.
That's
on my Ford Escape.
This is a little, is this just a little glider? Or a little, I don't know. I'm not a plane person.
It's the kind of plane that my dad fell out of the sky in. Oh, this breeze is nice and cool.
It is. Oh, thank goodness for the breeze, because it's a hot, sweaty day. But yeah, they said that that the event attracts over 200,000 people, and it's only for like 4 or 5 hours on 2 different days. This is massive. Thunderbirds put on an amazing show. I'm going to leave the audio not at full blast for you because it could hurt your ears. If you ever go to an air show, I highly recommend bringing some earplugs or headphones. They fly in these formations, some breathtaking, heart-stopping things to see. I'm going to stop talking so you guys can just watch it. Very cool. I hope that you enjoy seeing this. I'm going to stop talking for a little bit just to let you enjoy the show.
We encourage those young people in the crowd today.
Alright, we finally made it out of the air show, and now we're at Sam's Club because the food's cheaper here. Small little Sam's Club haul while we're here. We ended a very fun Saturday with getting a few things done outside around the house. I hope that you enjoyed this video coming along with us to the air show. It's a lot of planes flying, but I thought it was pretty cool and worth sharing, so I hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoy lifestyle content and want to see more videos in the future, usually a lot of food content, that kind of thing, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, say hello down in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.